Understanding the phrase, an equal shake, a guide to English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, an equal shake. Idioms are a vital part of mastering any language, and they can be both fun and challenging to learn. So, let's get started and explore what an equal shake means in various contexts. An equal shake is an idiom that means giving everyone the same opportunity or fair treatment. It's often used in contexts where fairness and equality are being discussed. For example, in a job interview process, we might say, every candidate should get an equal shake. This means every candidate should be considered fairly and equally. The phrase, an equal shake, likely originates from the idea of shaking dice in a game, where each player should have an equal chance of success. This idiom reflects the universal concept of fairness and equality, making it relevant in various social, professional, and personal scenarios. Let's look at some examples of how to use this idiom. 1. In sports, the coach believes in giving all team members an equal shake at playing in the game. 2. In education, our school's policy is to give every student an equal shake at success. 3. In everyday life, it's important that all opinions get an equal shake during our family meetings. There are other idioms that convey a similar meaning. Level playing field. This means creating a situation where everyone has an equal chance of succeeding. Fair shake. Similar to an equal shake, it means giving someone a fair opportunity or treatment. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the idiom, an equal shake. Remember, idioms add color and depth to your language skills, making your conversations more engaging and culturally rich. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.